Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the radius of the circle. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So because we have cosine theta, so we need to divide both sides by r. So we have this one. And now we need to change cosine theta into this one. Next, we multiply both sides by r and we have r squared. So we know that x squared plus y squared. So we have x we change by this one, y we change by this one. So r square and r square we can do about factorization. This one equals to number 1. So we see that this one equals to r square. And now we need to change r square into this one. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to add number 16 for the both sides. So this one, that is about identities. And we can put like this. Number 16, that is about 4 square. So we know that the standard formula of the circle that should be like this. The question they want to find the radius of the circle. So r equals to number 4. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.